If you're wondering how to create milestones in Process.st to track your workflows and stay on top of your tasks, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the simple steps to add milestones, why they're valuable, and how they can help you stay organized in your process management. To get started, Process.st offers a user-friendly interface, and adding milestones to your workflows is straightforward. Milestones in Process.st act as key points or goals within a process that you want to track. This makes them perfect for marking progress or reminding you and your team about significant events along the way. It's a great way to visualize your workflow and make sure you never miss a step. So, to create a milestone, the first thing you want to do is open your Process.st account. If you haven't signed up yet, you can get started for free through the link in the description below. Plus, we've got some exclusive bonuses that you won't want to miss out on. Now, once you're in your account, select the process you want to add a milestone to or create a new process from scratch. Milestones can be added within any process template or checklist you already have, which makes them flexible across different types of projects. To add a milestone, click on the Add Task button within a section of your process. Once you've added a task, you'll see a drop-down option that lets you mark this task as a milestone. It's that simple. You can then assign a due date to the milestone and set it to trigger other actions, like notifying team members when it's achieved. This can save you a lot of time and help you stay accountable throughout your workflow. Another great feature with milestones in Process.st is the ability to track them across your workflow. As you complete tasks and move through your process, you'll be able to see at a glance whether you're on track, falling behind, or ahead of schedule. This high-level overview ensures that important steps don't slip through the cracks. The real beauty of milestones in Process.st lies in their ability to give your team clear visual goals. Whether you're working solo or managing a team, milestones help you all stay aligned with what needs to be accomplished and when. They also help avoid bottlenecks and ensure that your processes remain efficient and productive. By the end of the process, you'll have a streamlined workflow where all milestones are clearly defined, helping you maintain momentum while ensuring nothing important is missed. And don't forget, milestones are easy to modify, so if your project scope changes, you can adjust your milestones to fit your new plan. Flexibility is key in process management, and Process.st nails it. If you're just getting started, I highly recommend playing around with adding milestones to different workflows. It's a great way to ensure you're always working towards a bigger goal, and you'll quickly see how this feature transforms the way you manage tasks. Before we wrap up, remember that Process.st is offering a completely free trial through the link in the description below. You get full access to their features, including milestones, with some exclusive bonuses when you sign up using our link. So to summarize, creating milestones in Process.st is a breeze and can dramatically improve your workflow tracking. Whether you're organizing personal tasks or managing team projects, milestones give you clear, actionable steps and visual progress, making sure you stay on top of your goals. If you're serious about improving your process management, make sure to check out the link below for your extended free trial. Thanks for watching.